Hi, my name is Chris Keller. I'm with Todo Cloud, and today I'm going to show you how to create and use templates that you can duplicate for productivity effectiveness. I'm showing you on the right side my Mac OS desktop and on the left side my iOS application on my phone. I've created a custom list called templates. Within that custom list, I've created a custom project. Within that project, I have 3 checklist items. Now, in this instance, cleaning supplies, it's a checklist. So I'm going to change cleaning supplies. So it's going to be cleaning and bathroom supplies. I save that. I'm going to add shampoo. So once I select this, shampoo, it's added. Okay, so I can constantly update my template over time, and when I want to do something with it, I'm going to sync it to the cloud, and then I'm going to refresh my list here on my phone. I'm going to go down to templates. I'm going to press and hold to get my quick menu. I select the item. Down here in the bottom, I have duplicate. That is one of many options. I actually dragged it to that position. If it's not there for you, you push and hold, and you can drag any one of these little icons. So I can swipe to the right. I can change tags, and I can drag that to my first view if that's more relevant for me. So that's how you change quick menu, and I'm going to duplicate. So once I duplicate, I have a second item, right? So shopping. Now I need to change the name shopping to something different. So I edit project, I come up here and I choose Walmart. This is going to be my shopping Walmart list. Click done, and that's my duplicate. Now I could also swipe and see some of the details, and maybe I want to drop this into my personal list because that's the stuff I'm going to track. I drop it into my personal list. I give it a due date of today. Right there, did you see that? So due date on the bottom left, there's some shortcuts. I like these quite a bit. Today, tomorrow, next week, none. I've chosen today. I can add a reminder. Reminders key off of the due date. And so I can say, remind me today at 5:35 p.m. That works great. I could also give it a priority. Priority is valuable. 1, 2, 3. It's a quick way to bucket things and to organize them together. I could add a tag, and I can say this is going to be part of my Walmart list. The interesting thing about tags is maybe you don't have everything in this project, but if I add a tag across to all of my tasks, then I can search for that later. So that's it. Now you see how you can create a folder or a list that holds all your templates, from which you can create duplicate copies to use thereafter. Hope you have a great day getting more things done, and we'll see you next time.